Hey ladies, bra bulge and also armpit fat. Well, most of us can get a little self-conscious, especially when we're in sleeveless tops. The good news is you can tone up this area with regular strength training and also cardio exercises. So today's workout will focus on your shoulder muscles, your chest muscles, and also your back muscles to reduce the appearance of your armpit fat and also bra bulge, okay? So get your body warmed up and let's do this workout together. What you'll need is a pair of really lightweight dumbbells, between 2 to 3 kilos each. If you don't have any dumbbells, fill up any bottles with water or rocks, okay? So the first workout is going to be a hinge to reverse fly. Stand shoulder width apart with your toes pointed forward. I want you to bend down from your waist. Give me a reverse fly, squeeze your back and hinge up, okay? Let's go. 45 seconds for each workout. Up, squeeze your lower back, and feel your shoulders and also a little bit on your chest. So squeeze your back, up, and really squeeze your upper back, feel your upper back and also your shoulders working. Spread your wings. All right, good. Spread your elbows to the side, okay? The longer your arms extend to the side, the more you will work on your shoulders and you will feel your upper back. Good, hinge, very good. So squeeze your glutes right at the top. Good, squeeze your glutes and open up. Spread those wings, ladies. This workout is really good for your back and also your shoulders. Good, rest it out. Second workout is called round the world, okay? So I want you to start with your elbows in a 90-degree position. Okay, squeeze it together, feel your chest, bring it up and open up, control, bring it together and bring it back up, okay? Let's go. So open, squeeze, push it up, round the world, good. Bring it back up, close it and bring it down. Open and squeeze your chest, up, bring it open, control, and up, good. Bring it back down, open and squeeze, again up, feel chest, feel your shoulder muscles, control, nice and control, back up, good, back down 90 degrees, open, squeeze the chest, squeeze the armpit muscles, good, yep, your entire body has muscles, okay? It's just a matter of working on them. Down, open up. Right, now we want to get down onto the mat, okay? So the next workout is going to be a bridge fly. Get down to the mat with your heels onto the floor, lift your butt off, dumbbells up, okay? Just like reverse fly, I want you to spread your arms to the side and close it and squeeze and feel your chest muscles and also the muscles around your armpit area. Just like any workouts, you have to control the dumbbells, okay? So spread your wings to the side, okay? Elbows close to the floor, tap gently and bring it back up. Good. So the dumbbells should be at chest level. It should not be too high up, okay? This is wrong. It should be at chest level. Open and squeeze. Good. Remember to squeeze your butt, okay? There's a bonus here. You're also working on your butt. Good. Open up. Open. Squeeze. Control. One more. Open and squeeze. Good. Now, drop the dumbbells. We want to get into a wide and also narrow push-ups. So the wide push-up will work on your chest. The narrow push-up will work on your triceps, all right? So find your starting point. You can either start on your knees, wide to narrow push-up. Okay, wide to narrow push-ups. Good. So really focus on your tricep muscles. Good. Keep your elbows pointed back with your tricep push-ups. Okay, wide, elbows spread out, narrow, elbows point back. As you progress, get onto your toes, wide, narrow, bring it down and up. Good. Nice and control, wide to narrow. Ladies, push-ups are so good for you, okay? Keep going. I know you hate push-ups, but keep going. Wide, narrow, few more, and rest it out. You have one last final workout. Okay, lie onto your belly. This is going to be a little bit challenging, all right? So what I want you to do is lift the dumbbells to your side, okay, and bring it back, squeeze, lift it to your side, drop, down gently, lift up, and squeeze. Good. Down, up, and squeeze. Good. If this is too challenging, drop the dumbbells down, up, and squeeze. Good. So really lift your lower back, squeeze and feel your triceps working. Up and squeeze, okay? As you progress, lift a little lighter, up and squeeze. Down, up, and squeeze. Good. Few more. Down, up, and squeeze. And last one, up, and squeeze. All right, good. Drop the weights, and you can take a 1 minute break. We want to go on to set number 2. You have about 15 seconds left, okay? You know all the exercises. Give me your best shot, okay? Let's aim to do each workout for 1 minute long without any break. So the first workout is going to be Hinge to reverse fly, okay? I want you to really focus on squeezing your upper back and keep your knees slightly bent and soft. Let's go. Bend down from your waist, squeeze it, and up. Very good. So open up, spread your wings, control, and up. Remember, every time you bring the dumbbells down, it's about controlling the weights. That's when you will work more on your arm muscles and also your back. Open, squeeze, control, and up, okay? It's not about arching, but rather it's about squeezing your glute muscles. Good. Spread your wings, control, and feel your lower back as well. Spread, and very good. Keep going, ladies. Feel your upper back. Feel your chest muscles and feel your shoulders as well. Good. You're doing a good job. Give me another 15 seconds, okay? Let's not stop now. Good. Very good. Remember to pace your breathing. Breathe in and breathe out. Woo! And we want to move on to the second workout, which is round the world. Let's go. Open, squeeze, up, open, control, almost touching. Bring it back up, down, open and squeeze the chest, straight up, open, round the world, close and back up. Feel your shoulders, bring it back down, not too low, 90 degrees, back up and open it up. Good. Nice and controlled, okay? It's not about rushing the workout, it's about engaging your muscles. Spread it wide, bring it in, bring it up and down. Good. Keep going, okay? 1 minute solid workout. Open, squeeze, 10 more seconds, okay? Let's not stop now, and we want to get straight down onto the mat for bridge fly. Good. Bring it up and open. Let's get back down onto the floor. Get straight into a bridge, okay? Dumbbells in front of you. Spread your wings into a nice fly. Good. Control. Squeeze your chest muscles. You should feel the side of your chest muscles, which is where your bra bulge area is, all right? Good. Control. Open up. Tap gently and control. The wider you open your arms, the more you will feel your chest muscles working as well as your arms, okay? Every time you control the dumbbells, that's when you will work more on your arm muscles. So nice and control and squeeze the chest. Good. Open up and squeeze, okay? Lift your body high up. We're going for 1 minute. Let's not stop right now. And squeeze. Good. Squeeze. Give me last one, okay? Just one more and we want to get straight into push-up. Drop your dumbbells. Let's get into a wide and narrow push-up, okay? Choose your option. You can start on your knees. What you can do to challenge yourself is to hop in, point your elbows back, hop back out into a wide, hop in, narrow, point your elbows back and wide. Good. There you go. That little momentum will make you work harder on your triceps and also your chest muscles. Very good. Nice and controlled. Point your elbows back and point your elbows out. Chest down, really low, almost touching the mat, okay? And hop back in. Very good. Good. Keep going. And breathe in and breathe out. Feel your triceps. Good. Give me another 15 seconds, okay? Let's not stop right now. At least 3 more push-ups. Let's go. 1, 2, 1 more, 3, and grab your weights, okay? This is going to be challenging. Again, like I say, choose your option. You can start without any weights. Spread your arms to your side and squeeze in. Feel your triceps. Lift your lower back up and squeeze in. Very good. So spread to the side, squeeze and squeeze, okay? To add a little bit of challenge, lift the weights to your side, squeeze, feel your triceps and squeeze. Good. Squeeze your glutes as well. Good. Last workout, okay? Squeeze and squeeze. Very good. Keep going. You have 5 seconds left. Squeeze to the side, squeeze and drop the weights. Very good. Now get into a child's pose. Right. Very, very well done, okay? So that workout will work on your brow bulge area and also your armpit fat area. So the goal is to target your shoulders, your chest, and also your arm muscles, all right? So remember to combine this workout with your regular cardio exercises. Do this workout 3 to 4 times weekly for best results. If you want to challenge yourself, well, replay this video and do it once more. Go on, share this video with your girlfriends and don't forget to hit the like button and also subscribe to my YouTube channel if you haven't yet done it for a lot more workout videos, workout challenges, and really healthy and delicious recipes. All the best and I'll see you in my next workout.